Antonio Felipe B. Remolio, one of the two city councilors who were awarded as the top 5 most outstanding local legislators for year 2024 from among the 262 municipalities and cities and of the 25 LGUs of the province of Negros Oriental. I'm so proud to present to you to give her message. Attorney Carissa Faye Tolentino Maxino. A round of applause please, and the future Vice Mayor of Dumaguete City.
Thank you kayo, ma'am. Mayong buntag, kaninyong tanan. While I was listening to the message of our chairman, Adalberto, I was really inspired, no? Okay, that is the kind of leadership that we need for our city and for the whole country. And I'm very inspired sa buhat sa DCCCO. And when I was listening kanina, I didn't even know that this is the 6th satellite office. And that is because of the efforts of the board of directors, of the members, and of course the officers. Ikan pa sa panahon ni former Vice Mayor, former Chairman William Ablong. Nakauban po na po actually when I was the Sangguniang Kabataan President, siya mo'y amo ang Vice Mayor kaniadto. And I'm very happy na ako'y na-meet diri nga student na ko before sa College of Law, teacher na ko sa una, and nakita tagbalik, no? And I see the spirit of cooperativism sa tanan nga naa diri karon. Ako ang mga nakauban sa akong pagkaabogado, sige may kakita sa Hall of Justice, Fiscal Duca, Fiscal Simafranca, and I didn't even know nga board of directors po sila diri sa DCCO. Kay active kay ni sila sa women and children sa city government, and we are very thankful of them. So, nakita na ko nga kaning pamalakad sa DCCCO maayo ug limpyo. Mauna nga we see progress. And this is also the kind of government that we want for the city of Dumaguete. Mayor Ipe Remolio wants you to know nga pareha sa agi o sa vision pod ni Director Adalberto nga kinahanglan dili mahadlok kung ang tan-aw nato tarong ang ato ang bubuhat. During his administration, we were able to close the dump site na dugay na kaayo nga baho sa Kandaway. And for several administrations, wa gyud na nabuhat. We were able to build bridges, city-funded bridges. And sukad wala po na nahitabo. We were able to open a lot of roads kasi daghan kayong nangisog nga tagbalay. Kay mahadlok ba ang politiko usahay, ang ubang politiko, di ba? Kung kanang i-expropriate ang mga properties, maghimo og laing mga dalan, nga mag-upgrade kay maigo man ilang mga balay, maigo ilang properties. But this administration, we were able to open a lot of roads. Kay we have to solve the traffic problem nga nagkadato man ang mga tawo sa Dumaguete, nagkadaghan mong members, so nagka-traffic pod. But of course, this is a good development kay we know nga people are getting more financially literate. More members, meaning Dumaguete is getting financially literate pod. Kaya nagkadaghan ng members, and of course, happy pud mi kaayo kay nagtabanganay man ang Dumaguete City and your cooperative kay we were able to provide more employment. If nakadungog mo, naatay programa nga seasonal workers program na nakapalarga ta og karon niabot ng 200 kapin ang atong napalarga sa South Korea. Gikan na og 30 plus. Seasonal workers program, for now, farming ang trabaho, and they get around 80 to 100,000 per month ang sweldo. And some of them are even members of DCCO. Nangutak tong uban kay para maka-process sa ilahang medical certificate. But of course, makabayad gud sila because of the big income that they get from their work as seasonal workers. And now the city government of Dumaguete is negotiating with other cities in South Korea. Karong Monday, and that is this Monday, naay Zoom meeting ang ato ang city mayor and other officials with Goyang, South Korea. And this time for factory workers na pod. And because their minimum wage there is high, dako-dako gid ang ilang mabalon kay libre man og puyo didto. So dili ra kay sila kagasto sa puyo. So they can bring money here in Dumaguete City. Now, naapod tay mga scholarship programs in Dumaguete City because this is what we want. We want to provide education, we want to provide employment. Kay dili pwede nga puro na lang ayuda ang ihatag sa mga tao kay dili makat-on ang atong mga tao, dili nila ma-appreciate ang value of money. And we are happy nga nagkadako ang DCCCO. When I actually asked Mayor earlier kung unsa iyang ihatag na message kaninyo, and this is what he wants to tell you nga nalipay siya nga ang DCCCO kasigi og hatag og financial literacy sa ato ilang mga members. Kaya ang ilang mga members nakabalo kung unsa ang value of money. And this is what we want for Dumaguete. For hopefully, ang tanan mahimo ng members sa cooperative. Magkadako ang trabaho sa ato ang manager. Pero nakita man ako nga maayo kaayo ang iyahang performance, no? Kay dili lalim. Nakakita man po ko kay I've been to other cooperatives. Magpa-member na po puhon sa DCCODI. Pagkakaroon, I'm the current legal counsel of SUCSI and also a member there. And I see progress good when it comes to cooperatives. Okay, aside from the fact na you are tax exempt, no? Makahatag po more benefits to your members. And kung wa mo nakabalo, Dumaguete City naka-save og around 300 million ang Dumaguete City because of fiscal management po. And of course, walay ikawat sa syudad sa kaban sa gobyerno. ICDI, ako po din classmate sa elementary. Aside sa teacher, student na po din ko classmate si Vivencio. Akong pinakabusgan na classmate ng professor sa Norso. I'm very very happy gyud nga nakakita ko ninyo usab karon. And it was mentioned earlier nga there is this event at public market. There's a training sa 50 kasambahay nga taga Dumaguete in cooperation with Dole. So that's why I need to go there after this. So I want to apologize ahead and ask permission to leave ahead ninyo. Sayang ilang ko kakaon sa inyong lechon. Pero I'm sure lami kaayo ang inyong food today. I also with me is my husband, he's with the city legal office, and if ever you need anything, our doors are open para sa if you need anything kabahin sa syudad sa Dumaguete. I would also like to recognize, aside of course from our chairperson of the board, Sir Edelberto Urauba the second, our chief executive officer, Dr. Mildred Umbak, my former teacher, our operations manager, Mr. Teodomero T. Almeida, sir, our, of course, our very active branch manager, Miss Marie Q. Pasco, Co-op Secretary, Mrs. Epifania D. Sonhaco, and our si Monsignor nilakaw na di no? And of course, di na ako ma-mention tanan ng mga board of directors and officers of DCCCO. We are very happy of this development, and we are looking for a more, or we are hoping for a more progressive city, and may the spirit of cooperativism be with us all. Thank you and good morning.